Assalamualaikum students, welcome to SSCA Children's Academy. I am your teacher Untitled and this is your English language class of grade 3. Dear students, as you know, in our previous lecture we have studied noun in detail. Now students, let's move towards our next topic, which is noun numbers. Dear students, in nouns number, we talk about two types of noun, that is singular noun and plural noun. First, let's talk about singular noun. Singular means single or one. So in singular noun, we talk about only one person, place, animal or thing. As you can see the pictures in front of you, there is one book, one duck and one boy. So students, you have learned what are singular nouns. Now let's move towards plural noun.
Plural means more than one. In plural noun, we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. Look at the examples. There are 5 books, 2 ducks and 4 boys. Now look at some rules of changing singular noun into plural noun.
To change singular name into plural name, we mostly add s. Look at the examples. Singular noun car. To change car into plural noun, we will add s. So it will become cars. Look at the second example. To change singular noun ball into plural noun, we will add s at the end. So it will become balls. There are some nouns in which we add es to make them plural. What are those nouns? How can we recognize them? So the answer is the nouns that ends with ch, s, double s, sh or x. We always add es at the end to change them into plural form. Let's look at the first example. First example is of bunch. It ends with ch. So we will add es at the end to change it into plural form. So it will become bunches. Bus ends with s. So we will add es to change it into plural noun, and it will become buses. Dress ends with double s. So we will add es to change it into plural noun. Dresses. Brush ends with sh. So it will become brushes. Box. The last letter of box is x. So we will add es at the end to make it plural. The plural noun of box will be boxes. There are some nouns that end with O. If there is a consonant before O, so we will add ES to make them plural, like tomato. In plural noun, it will become tomatoes. Mango. We will add ES, so it will become mangoes. If the noun ends with letter Y, we remove the letter Y and add IES to make it plural. Let's look at the first example. Strawberry. The last letter of strawberry is Y. We will remove Y and add IES to make it plural. Then it will become strawberries. Fly. Flies. Baby. Babies. Students, did you notice something? In strawberry, fly, and baby, the letter before Y is consonant. So if the letter before Y is consonant, we always drop the Y and add IES. But what will happen if the letter before Y is not consonant but vowel? In that case, we will not remove Y. If Y comes after vowels that are A, E, I, O and U, we will not remove Y. We will just add S at the end to make it plural. Look at the example. Monkey. The letter before Y is E, and E is a vowel. So we will just add S to make it plural. It will become monkeys. Key. The letter before Y is E, and E is vowel. We will just add S and it will become keys. Boy. We will just add S at the end of the boy because Y comes after O and O is a vowel. So the plural noun of boy will be boys. Okay students, let's move towards the next rule, which is if the naming word ends with F or FE, we will remove F or FE and add VES to make it a plural name. Look at the example. Knife. Knife ends with the letters FE. To change knife into plural, we will remove FE and add VES. So it will become knives. 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 Second example is leaf. Leaf ends with letter F. To change it into plural name, we will remove F and add VES. So it will become leaves. Calf. To change calf into plural noun, we will remove the F and then add VES, and it will become plural noun, which is calves. Okay students, do you know some nouns change their spelling to make them plural? For example, mouse is a singular noun. To change it into plural, we don't need to add S or ES. It will change its spelling. Like in plural, it will become mice. Child. The plural noun of child will be children. Foot. In plural noun, foot will become feet. Okay students, do you know there are also some nouns that do not change their spelling whether they are one or more than one? If there is one sheep, it will be called sheep, and if there are more than one, they will also be called sheep. Fish. The plural is also fish. Deer. The plural will also deer. There are certain nouns that are always in the plural form, whether they are one or more than one. We are going to look at some examples. Now you see there are some pictures. There are certain nouns which are made up of two parts. So for such nouns, we always use plural form. Let's look at the first example. Scissors. Even if it's one scissors, it's always gonna be in plural form. Jeans. Jeans has two parts, so it's also always be in the plural form. Shoes. Shoes will always be in the plural form. Even if you end up buying one pair of shoes, the reason because you have two parts, one for the left and one for the right foot. Gloves. Gloves are always gonna be in plural form. After explanation, now let's move towards your home task. What you have to do is open page 5 of your Junior English 3. Look at exercise A. Write the plural forms of each singular noun. Follow the instructions on the left of each group. In exercise B, you have to write the plural form of each noun in your copy. In exercise C, you have to write the singular noun of each noun. Exercise B and C will be done in your classwork copy. Now watch this video couple of times to learn and understand singular and plural noun. Keep learning. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.